Well, the mounds all sunk overnight, so they're no longer over my head. So between what fell again last night and them sinking, they're not over my head like I thought they were. Or gonna be. They were last night. That's my roof. I gotta try and get that down today too. It's not too much different from yesterday. Even though we got about a foot and a half more snow. Try and knock down part of the roof. Still got this to go. So it's... I gotta dig this back out. It came from up there. I had to dig this out this morning so I get the other part of the house. It really looks like a winter wonderland here. Front of my house. It's pretty caked up there. So I'll be here all a little while. Get this all off the roof. Dave's out front shoveling. Again. Yeah, last night this was over my head. Actually, this whole pile was over my head last night.